How to use Stremio app. So first of all, make sure that you have installed Stremio app on your mobile devices. Once installed, go ahead and tap on Open. Now on Stremio, you can create your own account. I am already logged into my account here on Stremio app. Now, once you come to the home page, you can see various categories of movies and series you can choose from. You can scroll down below and you can also see the category of YouTube channel. So, if you tap on See All, you can see various YouTube channels you can stream easily on Stremio. You can also go ahead and tap on this search bar and search for your desired channels, movies or series as well. Now, at the bottom you see the category of library. If you tap on it, you can find various categories on top. You can see all the videos you have watched and saved on your Stremio account, so it can be easily accessible to you. Now, just go ahead and tap on Add-ons category with the puzzle icon on it. Now over here you can also install various add-ons such as Cinemeta, YouTube, WatchUp, Public, Domain, Open Subtitles, V3 and other various apps you could download and stream through your Stremio account. Now, if you go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom right corner, now once you come to Settings, you can see various options you can edit on your account. You can tap on Logout, you can also change tracked scrolling, you can also request account deletion, and you can also do crash reporting by turning on this toggle. Now, under Interface, you can change the language of your Stremio account. You can also turn on the toggle for Blur Unwatched. Now, under Subtitles, you can add and edit subtitles according to your preferences. You can change size, vertical offset, text color, outline color, and background color as well. You can also edit audio settings of your Stremio videos that you watch. You can also turn on Autoplay Next under Playback category and seek time duration as well. Now you can see other various advanced settings you can change on your Stremio account. You can scroll down below and also set the server according to your choice. So, follow these easy steps and learn how to use Stremio app easily. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.